Welcome to Lavender Lane Learning. We are going to have quite an adventure learning about numbers. Let's have a look. It's maths 1.1 counting objects, 1.3 symbols and names, and 1.4 describe, compare and order numbers. Let's enjoy the song together.
Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again.
Why did you let him go?
'Cause he bit my finger so.
Which finger did he bite?
This little finger on the right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I let him go again.
Why did you let him go?
'Cause he bit my finger so.
Which finger did he bite?
This little finger on the right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I let him go again.
Why did you let him go?
'Cause he bit my finger so.
Which finger did he bite?
This little finger on the right.
'Here we have number 1. It's one stripe for the number 1, and we spell it O-N-E, and just one little dot. Then we can see there's one ball, one butterfly and one apple. Let's draw number 1 in the air. Start at the top and go down. Now change hands and do it with your other hand, from the top to the bottom. Now change hands, take it from the top down to the bottom, and last time draw it from the top to the bottom. Now I want you to show me 1 in your hand. 1. That's right, 1. To show number 1 with your hand. Now put your hands behind your back and let's do your number 1 again. That's good. Let's have a look at this crocodile. This crocodile, it's got a sign. It looks like a sideways V. It's the less than sign. The crocodile ate the fish, so there are less fish. Greater than or more than. The crocodile wants to eat a lot of fish, so whatever number the mouth is open towards is the larger number or the bigger number. Let's have a look at this one. We started with a number 1. What is 1 less than? Let's have a look. Yes, 1 that is less than. The crocodile came and ate the one fish, and now there are no fish. That's less than. Let's see what is greater than or more than. Greater than is 2. So in other words, the crocodile wants to come and eat more fish. He only had one fish to eat. He'd like to have 2 fish to eat, and that is more than. Let's have a look at this tally. We have one tally. In our 10 frame, we have one circle to show that it's just 1. And let's have a look at our number line. You can have a look at the number line. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see for us to jump, the bunny jumps on the line from 0 until 1. Jump for the bunny on your number line. Let's do it with me. From 0 to 1. And that is what we've had to learn about number 1. I hope that you've enjoyed this activity, children. Thank you, and we'll see you again.